everyone, it's Carol Foderick from the Carol Foderick Real Estate Group. It is January 2025 and I am so excited to share the first market update of the new year with you. From interest rates to home values, immigration, construction, tariffs, taxes, and the effect of all of these things on existing and potential buyers, there is no question that real estate dominated the headlines this past year. And if you've navigated the market as a buyer, as a seller, as a tenant, as an investor, or just watched it all from the sidelines, I think we can all agree that it was a year just filled with starts and stops on all fronts. The year closed out almost exactly right where it started from a sales perspective. The number of sales across the region was up over 2023, only slightly, with growth of about 2.6%. And the average sale price across all of these transactions coming down by a little bit less than 1%. It is important to note, though, that the first and second half of the year were really two very different markets, with the third and fourth quarters bringing many, many more sales at a faster pace. And we've talked about extensively in previous updates, the effects of the Bank of Canada rate cuts that started in June really do take time to trickle down before they have an effect on the real estate market as a whole. And of course, there were just huge regulatory changes that also came into effect on December 15th involving high ratio buyers as well as amortization periods. And there's another rate decrease expected now in a few weeks, which means that I think that we can expect that this trend is going to continue into the new year. If you feel confused or overwhelmed by just the huge amount of information, or frankly misinformation, that you're being pummeled with by the media on a daily basis regarding real estate, please just reach out so that we can unpack it together. It's always my honor to be able to answer your real estate questions with fact-based research. A new year also brings opportunities to reconnect with all of you. So as we kick off 2025 and our client appreciation program, I wanted to share just a few tidbits with you about what you can look forward to. As you're probably already aware, we've just chosen the winner of our $1,000 home services giveaway. And this week, you would have already received a link to enter our hugely popular annual Super Bowl prize pack. I'm including the link in this email to register again, just in case you missed it. The responses so far are just hilarious. A ton of Kansas City fans who have strong opinions about who they think are going to win, and a ton of people who just want Taylor Swift's guy to win again. So loved it. Anyways, keep them coming. This year we're giving away $400 of pizza, beverage, and food gift cards. And if you're not a football fan, no problem. Neither am I. I'll be using these gift cards to offset the cost of groceries for the month because inflation continues to be an issue with food costs. Just a reminder that as with all our giveaways, you can also share this link with your friends and family. So if you really want to stack your odds of winning, please share it with your coworkers or your family to increase your odds, and feel free to forward it on. We're also in the process of finalizing our spring lineup for our client educational seminar. Have you ever wondered why some people just always seem to come out ahead, even in tough economies? It's because they are often the ones that take the time to educate themselves on smart moves and best practices across many different aspects of their financial lives. So please stay tuned for the updates on dates and topics, but I can tell you in the next few months, we are going to be doing a deep dive into building and strengthening the walls of your financial fortress. We're going to focus on helping you figure out your smartest financing options, protecting your assets through insurance, and building your legacy through investments, real estate and otherwise. It's just amazing to be able to share the resources and the speakers that some of my highest net worth clients rely on for advice. And so I hope you'll join me on these seminars to deepen your understanding of these issues as well. A new year always brings opportunity to look ahead, to continue to consider what opportunities lay ahead of us, financial and otherwise. If you feel like this is the year that you're ready to consider either upsizing, downsizing, getting into the market as a first-time buyer, becoming an investor, buying a vacation home, or switching up your rental space, please remember that I can help with all of this. It is such an honor to be a real estate professional that you can trust and refer your family, friends, and coworkers to. So please reach out if there is anything that I can do to be of service to you or someone you know. In the meantime, I want to thank you again for watching. Good luck with the draw, and I will catch up with you again soon. Take care, guys.